This is an introduction to self forgiveness meditation for beginners. We'll do this through the offering of some phrases, orienting ourselves towards this forgiveness. And remembering that as you do this practice, if you don't have a full emotional experience of self forgiveness, that's okay. We're just orienting ourselves toward forgiveness and understanding. It's a process. So you can allow your eyes to close and find a comfortable posture. Anytime we're working with a heart practice like this, I like to bring in some kindness and gentleness right from the beginning. So seeing if you can soften both the mind and the body, maybe the heart as well. You don't need to strain or stress to do this perfectly or to turn on meditation mode. Just arriving gently and softly to where you are. And you can bring to mind an image of yourself. You might work with yourself as you are right now and right here. You might bring to mind an image of yourself when you were a child. Sometimes this image of the more innocent self can be easier to work with. And in self forgiveness, we're not endorsing or denying the harm that we've caused or the mistakes that we've made. We're just not holding on to the resentment, to the anger, to the judgment. So, with this intention to forgive ourselves, we can offer some phrases. I forgive myself for the pain I've caused. I forgive myself for the pain I caused to myself or to others. Seeing if you can connect with this intention to forgive yourself. I forgive myself for making mistakes. We all make them. They don't define us. I forgive myself for making mistakes. I am worthy of forgiveness, or I deserve forgiveness. I know we don't always feel like this, but we're all worthy of forgiveness. I am worthy of forgiveness. And finally, recognizing that it's often painful to have resentments toward ourselves, offering a phrase of self compassion. I care about this pain. I care about this pain. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.